This is command. Command cards are going to require you to roll the dice to answer the questions. So, for example, question 1, stack all 6 dice, one on top of the other, and then count from 5 to 0. So obviously this requires us to stack the dice. And then say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Question type, true or false. For a true or false question, you're going to be given a statement, such as 3/4 of 20 is 15. You have to say whether that is true or false. Category 3, word question. A word question is a longer question which requires you to do 1, 2 or 3 pieces of processing. This is a level 1 box, therefore it should be fairly simple. The thief gives her pony Boris 1 carrot for every 2 buckets of straw he eats. If Boris eats 6 buckets of straw, how many carrots does he get? Okay, so we need to say that he gets 1 carrot for every 2 buckets. We're going to multiply 2 by 3 to get 6, which means he gets 3 carrots. Category 4, high pressure question. In a cup game, a high pressure question is read to you by another player. They must shout Q, at which point they take the card and read out the questions. When they've finished reading out the questions, they must work out how many you got right and how many wrong, and then give you your money, your ant coins, accordingly. You get 5 ant coins for each correct answer. As long as you get more than half of them correct, you qualify for your bonus, which is in this case a magic D. Quick draw. A quick draw card doesn't need to be read out loud. It simply needs to be turned onto the table and answered by the player whose turn it is as fast as they can, like this. Hands on your head and halve the blue number. Half of the blue number is 12. And finally, category 6, Numberella category. Category 6 has questions which are trivia and fun. For example, this question, roll off psychic, requires you to predict the roll of your opponents. If you correctly do so, you can steal 50 ant coins off them. Other types of question in this category are history, geography, and culture. So it's a multidisciplinary category of card. Those are the different types of card in Numberella.